Yes, so we are going to do y is equal to 2x plus 7 divided by 3, and we're trying to make x the subject of the formula. Please do not make a denominator, intimidate you. All you need to do is to multiply by it. Multiply by the denominator. Make sure you use brackets when you are multiplying. Okay, ensure that you use brackets when you are multiplying, and that will cancel out the denominator. Once you have a denominator, you just multiply on both sides by it. In that case, the denominator is 3, multiplying by 3 on both sides. Okay. So what you do on the right, you do on the left. And that will cancel out the 3 that is below the 2x plus 7. Okay, so that multiplying by 3 going to cancel out that 3 beneath there. And what we're going to have now, we're going to have 3y on the left side is equal to 2x plus 7. Okay, our x is already positive, so all we need to do is just cancel out 7. All right, what you do on the left, you do on the right. So what we're going to have, 7 cancels out, and we're going to have 3y minus 2 minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 2x. And now all we need to do now is to divide by 2. On the left, if we divide by 2 on the left, then we have to divide by 2 on the right. Okay, and then we are left with x is equal to 3y minus 7 over 2. Okay, so as soon as you have a denominator, multiply by it to cancel it out, and then you can do your rest of your canceling out. Here we have an example with a bracket. Okay, and x is inside the bracket, so you clear out the brackets by multiplying. Okay, so you carry down your y, carry on your 3, your plus, but we're going to multiply by 2, distribute 2 times x plus 2 times 1 is 2, so that we can clear the brackets. Okay, like terms, the 3 and the 2 can add. Okay, so 3 plus 2 will give us 5. So we can put 5 anywhere. Once it's on the right side, the 2x is a positive 2x, so we can leave it right there. And then what we can do now is to subtract 5. Okay, on both sides. What you do on the right, you do on the left. Okay, 5 cancels out. Okay, we are left with a positive 2. So all we need to do is to divide by 2 on both sides. Okay, and we are left with y minus 5 over 2. X is equal to y minus 5 over 2. Okay, so when you have a bracket, you clear it out. Okay, and we have a final one here. Here we have a fraction. We have a 2 in the denominator. We're going to multiply by 2. On the left, multiply by 2 on the left, multiply by 2 on the right. Okay. And the reason why we are multiplying by 2 is to cancel out the 2 in the denominator. Okay, that's the whole idea. And then what we're going to have now on the left, we're going to have a 2y, and on the right, we're going to have a 9 minus 7x. Now our x is a negative. Okay, we have a negative x, a negative 7x. We want to ensure that we deal with that negative 7x by adding it one time. Okay, because anytime you see you have a negative x, a negative coefficient, as soon as possible, try to ensure that you have positive coefficient of x, and here we had a negative 7x, so we added 7x on both sides so that to cancel out the negative 7x. So now we have a positive 7x on the left now, and we're going to subtract 2y. We're going to subtract 2y on the left, and we're going to subtract 2y on the right. Okay, so what that will do, that will cancel out 2y from the left. Okay, we are left with a 7x on the left equal to 2y. So what we need to do now is just to divide by 7. Okay, to cancel out 7. And if we divide by 7 on the left, then we have to divide by 7 on the right. And then we have our final answer. X is equal to 9 minus 2y over 7.